Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a paper plane. Making a paper plane is a great way to spend your free time and have some fun. It's also an excellent activity for kids that promotes creativity and eye coordination and following instructions. And if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. With just a few folds, you can create a simple paper plane that glides through the air. So grab a piece of paper, follow along, and let's get started.